Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance at last regarding your situation. So let's go into the reading, guys. Justice. Knight of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Nine of Swords. World card. Okay, guys. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel you are a very, what to say, a honest person. You don't want to do anything wrong to anybody, and you stand for righteousness and equality. Okay, you treat everyone equally, and there is these cards denote some kind of voyage or travel, guys, that is going to bring a great success, okay, to your plans. Something is coming up. Maybe you are traveling to some place, you're changing your place residence, maybe you're moving to a different country, maybe for work or something, or you are having plans to move out somewhere, okay, to settle down, and things are manifesting as they should be, okay. You're feeling contentment, happiness, and whatever you have worked for till now, it is coming to you. Maybe you're planning to travel around the world, planning with your family, with your friends, or maybe with your person, something. But something is troubling you, maybe something very minor, because I see very positive energy with all the cards except one. And you feel maybe this success, maybe this day will not last long, maybe because this may be due to your preconceived notions that nothing will last forever. So you feel every day won't be the same like today, and maybe you're worried that things may turn to something bad, okay. So you're planning to safeguard the present day, so that may be causing some kind of worry in your mind, some kind of troubles. That is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is the reason. Let us pick few more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up, guys. What is causing the worry? Letter. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel there is an important announcement coming in, some important contracts or orders, some kind of paperwork you're signing, guys. That is the energy here. Something important. It may not be a casual communication, something very important is reaching you, and you are what to say, you are deepening your relationship with your person, or if you are seeing somebody new, maybe you're taking it to the next level. You're going in for a proposal, or your person is coming to propose to you, something of that sort. Okay, so you want to be committed. You have that, what to say, a responsibility. You feel that responsibility in this relationship, guys. So that may also be the reason for you to worry a little, because you are a very responsible person. You want to be responsible in any situation. Maybe that may be the reason for your worry, guys. You may think that you may not be able to do well in your position. So some kind of worry may be there associated with it. And also I see this relationship as a destined one, guys. You would have known this person. You would have felt that you knew this person already when you first met them. Okay, uh, you would have, even at the first meeting, the way they spoke, something would have been very familiar to you. So this may be a karmic connection. For few of you all, you may be having a child together. That may also be the reason for your worry. Some kind of sleeplessness at night, something of that sort, guys. So but it is all due to some positive choice of yours. That is a energy here, guys. So something positive is happening. Things are going as you wish it would go, Sagittarius. So that is the energy, guys. Let us pick few cards from the angel deck to see how angels are guiding us, what angels are guiding us to do. Universal heart, be accommodating, silence your thoughts. So just like I said, this may be a destined connection, a karmic connection. That is energy here, guys, with these cards. And you have to be supportive of your person or people in your life. You have to, what to say, listen to others' viewpoints also, guys, once in a way. When we put forth our views and ideals so strongly, at the same time we should be able to listen to others and understand the situation, not be judgmental about their views, and then we have to make our decision based on that. When we do that, it will just improve our relationship. It will bring us better clarity between the persons involved. So when you listen to your person, you will get better clarity of your situation, and you will get a good understanding, guys. And often you don't have to, what to say, keep listening to yourself, whatever the mind says. Once in a way, we have to let go of our past memories, of our past notions, the negative thoughts we have, that waste chatter that is going on within ourselves. So once in a way, we should stop that, and we should live in the present. See what is happening right in front of us, the present day. So when we do that, we'll get a better clarity of a situation, and we will be able to control our mind, and it'll actually benefit us in the long run, guys. That is the energy, Sagittarius. So this is the angel guidance message, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.